Welcome back to Crypto Smackdown, where I give you everything blockchain, crypto, and our favourite subject, Dent. So, as you can see, we did what I expected. So, we've been following the 21 moving average up, and we have got back above this trend line once again, as I expected. We broke out, and what day did we break out on? It was I think it was around the 12th. We broke out on, that's the 11th. Yeah, so the 12th as also expected. So we broke out. We're now above this trend line, and we're sitting just above the trend line in the support presence. So my expectation is that we build some support on this trend line now, and we continue to move up. If I show you another chart quickly, so from having a look, we've been following this trend line up again. We've hit the first golden ratio, the 618, and I think that was at around 33. We did push up to about 38, I would say, maybe 39. But then we got rejected. So I think from that point of view, it's just literally building a support on this trend line, and we'll push up again to the 1618, the next golden ratio. So I think we are looking pretty good to continue up. As you can see, the next golden ratio is around the 54 mark. So I don't think it'll be too long before we'll be attempting to potentially hit it. So it's looking pretty positive. I know BTC had a pullback, but again, Dent can act like a stable coin sometimes and just literally sits there, doesn't really move. I mean, you know, it moved, it didn't move much, so I wouldn't be too concerned about that. Everything's still looking good. Stochastic has come out of the complete oversold zone and moved back into normal territory, so that could curve round and give another push up. And then we have the awesome oscillator, which is still showing that we're continuing up. Volume is low, so we're keeping an eye on that. But as you can see, the formation and following the moving average 21 is pushing us up. So I think that we will continue to move on up. You know, we might have some pullbacks. I mean, for all we know, it could go under and curve round and then go back up again. That's something, you know, I wouldn't be sure of, but we just have to wait and see. But from my point of view, everything is looking pretty positive from a moving upward side. Just looking at the technicals from CoinGecko. So on the hour it's a sell, but if we go to the 4 hour, we are neutral. A day is a buy, and a week is a strong buy. So that kind of lets you know what sort of direction potentially over the next week we'll be going to. So the expectation is Dent continues to move up, and on the month we're a buy. So from my point of view, just keep hodling, you know, dollar cost average when you can. So like you've got a dip now, that's always a good time to dollar cost average in. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take it as, you know, something that you would act on because I've said it, because I would strongly suggest you don't. I'm just doing this for my entertainment and to let you know my thoughts on where we are. So to end off, looking like a strong buy. As we can see, we're following the trend line up. We've hit the golden ratio, and we're heading towards the next golden ratio of the 1.6, and that's at about 55, around is 54, 55. And from the point of view of the MACD, it's still looking okay. It is curving over a bit, but then if we get another surge, then that will just continue it up, and it won't look as if to say we're changing direction to go down. The awesome oscillator is showing up and volume is low, so we could be expecting a spike within the next days. Hopefully you found this useful. Please leave a like, comment, notification, hit the bell, and we catch up soon. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.